Hello, dear customers. Thanks for purchasing OUCAM. If you have any questions during use, please contact us by email and the social media. Okay, I'm here to tell you how to make this camera work with your sensing. At the beginning, we have to download the OUCAM apps. We can search OUCAM Max in Google Play Store, and also that we can scan this QR code for Android to download the OUCAM apps. Install successful. The second, long press this power button to make a camera power on. We have to wait about 30 seconds to make this camera work. Waiting for connecting. We can find the setting button on the My Interface, tap it. Tap the connections. Tap this one, the first line. It will appear a Wi-Fi name list here. Okay, we can find a Wi-Fi name. The same with the camera serial number. The serial number is on the back of camera. You can see it's the same. Tap to connection. Here will appear the opinion. The internet may not be available. Please choose always connect. Okay, we back to the My Interface. Open the OUCAM Max apps. This is the privacy policy. Agree. Well, this one. While using. OUCAM Max to access photo and media on your device. Allow. Okay, let's begin to edit the device. We can tap the plus button on the top of corner. It's here. Choice next. It's a network name appeared here. It's also the same. Tap it. We have to input the network password. The password is a Arabic number, 1, 2, 3. Don't have anything else. Save. Okay, we can show that the camera has been added on the list, and the camera status is online. Okay, we click the setting button to make the camera connect with your home's Wi-Fi router for remote viewing. Choose this one. Wi-Fi setting. Tap it. Okay, the Wi-Fi list is appeared here. If the Wi-Fi list is appeared empty, we can click this one, the refresh button, to find again. Type your host Wi-Fi route. Input your host Wi-Fi route password. Before we make the camera join the Wi-Fi route, we have to ensure the password is right. We can click this show password. Okay, no problem. Type this one, join in. The camera will show you, the status show you connect failed. We have to waiting about 1 minute. Okay, the camera has joined the Wi-Fi route successful, so that the camera's status shows online. Okay, thanks for watching.